Is your Airbnb account acting weird lately? Or maybe you just got that dreaded account disabled email. You're not alone. Thousands of users in the US and Europe are getting locked out right now, and here's why. Airbnb just rolled out their 2026 security update. And if you haven't verified your ID or accepted the new terms of service, your next vacation could be cancelled instantly. No refund, no keys, just a headache. To save your account, do these 3 things. 1. Clear your browser cache immediately. Stale cookies are triggering invalid login errors. 2. Check your spam folder for a re-verification link sent this week. 3. Turn on to FA two-factor authentication. Accounts without it are being flagged as high risk in February 2026. Pro tip: if support isn't responding, reach out to them on X Twitter. They usually reply faster there than through the app's chatbot. Did you get locked out, or is your app working fine? Comment help below if you're stuck, and I'll send you the direct support link. Smash that follow button for more travel hacks.